Hello. Today we look at the novel The Hunger Games, written by Suzanne Collins. This is on page 70 to 71 in your book. In the beginning of the novel The Hunger Games, the sisters Primrose and Katniss Everdeen are going to attend the reaping. In this reaping, which takes place every year, two teenagers, a boy and a girl, are chosen from each district in the country called Panem. They will compete in the Hunger Games, which is a brutal game of life and death, where only one person will survive. Katniss has prepared for the games in case she is chosen, but her young sister Primrose is not at all fit for a fight of life and death. It's time for the drawing. Effie Trinket says, as she always does, "Ladies first." Yeah, we see her here. And crosses to the glass ball with the girls' names. She reaches in, digs her hand deep into the ball, and pulls out a slip of paper. The crowd draws in a collective breath, and then you can hear a pin drop. And I'm feeling nauseous, and so desperately hoping that it's not me, that it's not me, that it's not me. Effie Trinket crosses back to the podium, smooths the slip of paper and reads out the name in a clear voice. And it's not me, it's Primrose Everdeen. You see that she picks the name of Primrose out from this bowl, and Primrose is Katniss' sister. There must have been some mistake. This can't be happening. Prim was one slip of paper in thousands. Her chances of being chosen were so remote that I had not even bothered to worry about her. Hadn't I done everything? Taken the tesserae, refused to let her do the same? One slip in thousands. The odds had been entirely in her favor, but it hadn't mattered. Somewhere far away I can hear the crowd murmuring unhappily, as they always do when a 12-year-old gets chosen, because no one thinks this is fair. And then I see her, the blood drained from her face, hands clenched in fists at her sides, walking with stiff, small steps up towards the stage, passing me, and I see the back of her blouse has become untucked and hangs out over her skirt. It's this detail, the untucked blouse forming a duck's tail, that brings me back to myself. Prim! The strangled cry comes out of my throat, and my muscles begin to move again. Prim! I don't need to shove through the crowd. The other kids make way immediately, allowing me a straight path to the stage. I reach her just as she is about to mount the steps. With one sweep of my arm, I push her behind me. "I volunteer!" I gasp. "I volunteer as tribute!" Yes, this was probably a little bit difficult, but you must look at all the words on the sides of these papers and try to understand. I will also post a video, and then maybe you'll understand some more of it. Okay? And don't hesitate to ask questions on Teams. Now you can do the tasks on page 72, and you can also do the Quizlet that I will post soon. Okay, bye bye for now.